Okay, in the 2018 Honda Accord, this one has a remote start. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the system. We did the shock sensor add-on. A lot of people asking, does the shock sensor interfere with the remote start? And at least in my kits, they don't. I don't know about somebody else's kit, but they don't interfere with the remote start whatsoever. We make sure that it doesn't in any car. If you're on the system, we're gonna wait until that light flashes, and then it's gonna slow down. I want to make sure that the car sits for a little while before I try to remote start it, because sometimes we get emails that people are saying, oh, well, you didn't wait long enough. You armed it and then you did the remote start. So we want to wait until the car sits for a while, that the alarm has been set for a long time. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the remote start so we can put this topic behind us. It's not a big deal, but sometimes we get emails on this, and this video will help out, so you don't have to drop an email asking about this question. Okay, I think we waited long enough. I'm going to go ahead and remote start the car. Okay, car is running by remote control. I'm going to go ahead and hit unlock. It's going to open the door. Car's still running. You get in and hit the road. By the way, some people don't know that you're able to shut off the car from the remote control. You do the same thing. Hit lock, hold this down, and that will shut off the car. Alrighty. This is on a 2018 Honda Accord. I'm going to go ahead and show the shock sensor before I forget. I'm going to arm the system, and then I'm going to bang on the tires, and that will fire off the alarm. Okay, you guys ready? This is bumper to bumper, glass, any kicking of the tires that they try to bust out the lug nut locks. And we also do the bypass in the door. In the event that somebody busts out the keyhole, it will not shut off the factory alarm. So we do the kit does the little bypass in the door also. So that way and nobody will come and bust out the keyhole and cancel out your alarm before it fires off. You will not hear it at night. This is a shock sensor. This is add-0n.com. Thank you for watching this video.